Would you like to know how to set yourself apart from all other hosts in your market and receive all the benefits that come along with doing that, like more reviews, better reviews, and repeat guests? A key way in setting yourself apart from your competition is understanding the reservation flow. It's a concept that I developed that will help you better manage your Airbnb, work less, and receive more and better reviews. It's kind of a 2-in-1. Because what I'm about to teach you is going to increase the number of guests who leave you a review. On Airbnb, it's 70%. We're going to get you up to 90%. And those extra reviews are going to be 5-star reviews. So we're going to get you more reviews and better reviews at the same time. I'm Danny, and I'm the owner of the free blog at optimizemyairbnb.com. And I've been an Airbnb guest since 2017. Now let's first define what is reservation flow. The reservation flow says that there is a predictable pattern that every guest is going to follow, and that means they're going to be wanting information, a specific pieces of information at points of that reservation flow. And now I'm going to take you through the do's and don'ts of what type of information you should and should not be communicating to your guest at different points in the reservation flow. We're going to start with prior even to the booking. Tell the FPG what are they getting in exchange for the price you have set. This is done primarily inside of your online Airbnb listing. Tell the FPG specific things that they do not need to know at this point in the reservation flow, like check-in and check-out specifics. After the booking, but before the actual reservation starts, you want to help the guest plan their trip. Don't send long messages. In fact, never send long messages. Give the guest relevant information that they need when they need it, like check-in information when they're about to check in, including parking information, Wi-Fi information when they actually get into the house, and always let them know that you or someone else is available for assistance. Once you get a reservation, let the guests know what happens next. Now, tell them that 3 days before their reservation starts, you're going to send them more information, but actually send it to them 4 days in advance to account for time differences and to avoid extra messages like, hey, I'm coming in 4 days. Where's my information? What's the address, etc. Again, don't send long messages or checkout info or non-essential house rules. The majority of what I'm talking about in this video is accomplished through messaging. I sell messaging templates on my website, but I'm going to give you my messaging templates for free. If you comment below, I will reply winner to 3 of you and send you this free service that I sell on my website. Typically, my videos get about 3 comments, so you're basically guaranteed to win. If I get dozens of comments, I'm going to give out more than 3. After the reservation, you want to let the guests know that they were a good guest, especially if something went wrong, not terribly wrong, but if there was some issues. Let the guests know you were a good guest. You should expect a 5-star review from me tomorrow. This is called reciprocity. If the guest knows they're going to get a 5-star review, if there was any doubt in their mind, they're more likely to give you a 5-star review. Now, if something went wrong in the reservation, I recommend you go over in person and check out the guest. It's a lot harder to leave a negative review for a human being than it is a digital screen. One of my listings, Belmonte Penthouse, one that I have full control over, has over 150 reviews, I think now, and a 4.99 rating. I also like to send a review reminder in the form of a discount. So I'm not asking the guest for something. Ask, I want a review, give me. I'm giving the guest something. Hey, I want to give you a friends and family discount. And that way it's reminding them, and maybe they're more likely to leave a review. Have you heard of the chicken and egg problem? Which came first? You kind of need one to have the other, right? I have the same problem as a small-time YouTube creator with my channel. What comes first? A bunch of views or a bunch of time committed to this channel? You almost need one to have the other. You can help me if you like my content to have me produce more content by liking this video. Thank you so much. To summarize, what is the reservation flow? It allows us to know where to put information in the listing or in messages. And this communicates a more professional operation to your guest. At the same time, giving the guest information when they want it will have you working less by receiving less unnecessary questions from the guest, at the same time getting more of those guests to leave you reviews, and 5-star reviews at that. I hope to see you soon. Meet you in the comments. Until next time, happy hosting.